The time value of money is based on the observation that money received today is often worth more than the same amount received later. For example, I can invest the money that I receive today and earn interest on that investment. The time value of money can be determined in terms of what represents a fair exchange between present dollars and future dollars. For this purpose, NPV function is used. NPV function expresses what would be a fair exchange, and it calculates the value of those payments in today's dollars depends on rate of return. Active this cell, click financial arrow button. Scroll down, click NPV function. This function has rate and values arguments. In a values argument, the future value of investment is added. For example, I receive payments from the 3 years investment. After the first year, I will receive $300. After the second year, I will receive $400. After the third year, I will receive $500 with the 7% annual rate of return. NPV function returns the present value $1,038. This shows that the $1,200 paid out by the investment according to the 3-year schedule is equal to receiving $1,038. $1,038 is called today value. The values in this range are called future values because I will receive these payments in the future. Click cancel, active design. To calculate present value and net present value of an investment, click financial arrow button, scroll down, click NPV function. So this function returns the net present value of an investment based on a discount rate. This rate of return is called discount rate, and a series of future payments and income. These values are called future payments.